How to check Amazon digital credit. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your web browser and open Amazon, or you can also open the Amazon app. Make sure you are signed in to your account, and now there are two main ways to check your credit. Option 1, you can visit the digital credit balance page. To visit, go to the Amazon digital credit balance page and scroll to the gift cards or promotional balances section. Look for a line item labeled promotional balance or digital credit. And option 2, check via an eligible product. Search for an eligible digital product like an ebook, movie, or app. On the product page, check for a note under the price that says something like you have this much amount of dollar in digital credits available. Now, go ahead and redeem your Amazon digital credit. Select a digital item eligible for your credit, example, an ebook, movie, or app. Add the item to your cart and proceed to check out. At the checkout screen, confirm that your digital credit is applied to the purchase. If it's not automatically applied, it may not be valid for that item. Finally, once the digital credit is applied, the total price should reflect the discount. Complete the checkout process to use your digital credit. So, this is how you can check Amazon digital credit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.